Hey everyone, so my name is Tomcat. Hopefully you should know that. Anyway, today I'm here joined by my brother. Say hi. Hey y'all! So Matt,
What?
remember when you went to KFC, right?
Mhm.
And you didn't like it?
Yep.
How would you rate it?
5
out of 10. I mean, how many? Like 1 out of 10. How many would you rate it?
I would rate 0 out of 10.
Okay, so yeah, here's how it went. Hello, welcome to KFC. What would you like?
I would like chicken. I would like a chicken sandwich.
Okay, one chicken sandwich coming right up. Okay, here's your sandwich. Have a great day. So Matt, how's your sandwich? So yeah, that's why you don't eat at KFC. But there is one thing you can do, and that is don't die.